Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how I make these rolled paper roses. These ones right here. Focus. There we go. So what I'm going to be using is paper, a compass or something to trace out circles with, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun. So I'm just going to take the compass and make some circles. I'm going to make 2 circles. Now I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so here is my first circle. Now I'm going to cut a spiral going in towards the center of the circle. If you don't feel like freehanding it, you can always draw out the spiral first and then cut it. But I'm just going to go ahead and freehand it. I've done hundreds of these. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. Your spiral doesn't have to be perfect. So, okay, so you want to leave a bit of a tab here just because this is going to be the base of the flower. So I will be putting glue on here, and that's how I'm going to glue the flower together. And now I'm going to grab the end here, and I'm just going to, there we go, I'm just going to fold the tip over like that. And now I'm going to start rolling the spiral, and I wanna make it a tight roll. Okay, and once you get to the end here, you're gonna fold the flap over the bottom of the spiral, so then it becomes the bottom of the flower, as you can see there. And then I'm slowly gonna let the paper unravel. Like that. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to stop there. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the rose over, making sure that I'm keeping the spiral together. I'm going to fold the bottom tab over and place some glue on there. Now I'm going to fold it over the bottom like that and press down. And there you go. There you have a cute rolled paper rose. Now you can also do a scalloped edge rose like this one. For this though, you will need a pair of crafting scissors. So these ones right here with the wavy edge. And you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to cut a circle out. Now with these scalloped edge scissors, you will need to be a little bit more careful not to rip your paper. So just take your time. Okay. Ooh, just move the camera. Okay, so here is my circle, and now I'm going to cut a thinner spiral. I feel that the scalloped edge looks better when I do a thinner spiral. And I'm going to leave, I think I'm going to leave that amount for the base of the flower. And again, same thing. So you just fold over the tip here and then just start making a tight roll. Okay, so once I get to the end, I'm just going to hold the bottom tab and then let the paper unroll a little bit till I like the look of the rose. And I think a little bit more. There we go. I think that's good. Again, holding the spiral together. I'm turning it around, folding the bottom over, putting some glue, and then folding it back onto the rose, pressing lightly, and there you go. There you have a scalloped edge rose. So that's it. A short tutorial just to show you how I make these paper roses. So that's it. That's it for this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.